Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into smart kitchen gadgets that make life easier, today's review is for you. We're talking about the Chefman electric kettle with temperature control. And spoiler alert, it's not your average kettle. Speaking head right out of the box, this 1.8-liter glass and stainless steel kettle looks sleek and modern. But it's not just about looks. This kettle boils water in as little as 3 minutes, and the 7 temperature presets ranging from 160 to 212 degrees Fahrenheit mean your green tea, pour-over coffee, or oatmeal water will always be just right. Speaking head, one of my favorite parts? The removable tea infuser. You can steep loose leaf tea directly in the kettle, super convenient for serving a crowd. And check this out, the tricolor LED lights tell you exactly what's happening. Red means it's heating, green is keeping warm or steeping, and white is standby mode. So intuitive. Speaking head, the 360-degree swivel base makes it easy to grab from any angle. And the cordless kettle lets you pour anywhere without dragging the whole setup with you. Plus, the removable lid gives you a big opening to fill water and clean it easily. No more struggling to rinse the inside. Speaking head, if you're into making the perfect cup every time and want your appliances to work smarter, not harder, the Chefman electric kettle is a no-brainer. It's fast, precise, user-friendly, and looks great on your countertop.
If you like this review, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more kitchen tech reviews. Link to the kettle is in the description below. Catch you in the next one.